Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to explain you Articles of Confederation in the context of US politics. Articles of Confederation was the first constitution of the 13 American states. These Articles of Confederation were written in 1777, adopted in 1781, but then replaced in 1787 by the Constitution of the United States, the current day Constitution of US, which is comprised of only 7 articles. And you all know that US Constitution is so brief, is so short that you may read the whole book of the Constitution in just 30 minutes. Take care. Allah Hafiz.